Welcome to Ramp Travel. Today we'll walk through how to set up your travel policy, tour your travel dashboard, and how to book travel as an admin. Ramp Travel makes it easy to book flights, hotels, and car rentals while giving your team guardrails and policy visibility. Booking through Ramp Travel also ensures that receipts are automatically matched to transactions, memos and accounting codes are auto-suggested, and no more manual expense reports since employees are prompted to submit receipts right away. This allows admins to spend less time tracking expenses and chasing down receipts. To begin, let's walk through how to set up your travel policy, which only admins and owners can access. It enables you to set up robust controls to inform your employees which flights, hotels, and cars are out of policy when booking, and also to alert your team when out-of-policy bookings occur. Please note that this policy will not decline transactions, it will only visually flag out-of-policy bookings, allowing you the opportunity to determine the best course of action. There are two ways to access the travel policy. On the left-hand panel here, go ahead and click on Travel. From here, on the top right corner, click on Manage, and then you can click on Travel Policy. Or you can access the policy straight through this Policy tab on the left-hand side. As I mentioned, this policy will only flag any bookings. It will not decline transactions if they are out of the policy. For cost per flight leg, you will enter in the maximum price employees can spend for a one-way flight. You also have the ability to set a smart rate, which is a pricing benchmark that helps determine whether a flight is reasonably priced for a given route, date, and market conditions, providing great flexibility for booking. Select how far in advance employees have to book their flights under booking lead time, which will be measured in days, weeks, and months. You can also select no restrictions as an option. Then you're going to select whether or not you want them to book refundable flights. When it comes to cabin class, you can select always allowed, not allowed, or up to 11 plus hours of a flight duration for employees to book. Typically, economy is marked always allowed by companies, and the premium cabin classes are based on flight duration. For hotels, you can set a maximum price per night, apply smart rates, select how far in advance hotels need to be booked, and select refundable rates here as well. If you set it to only allow employees to book refundable rates or no restrictions here, Ramp will automatically rebook refundable hotels if the price drops by $50 or more, updating the confirmation for you and letting you keep the savings. For car rentals, set a daily car rental max and choose allowable vehicle types. For the per diem rate, set a flat allowance or enable GSA base rates, which is a daily limit set by the U.S. General Services Administration for employee travel within the U.S. These rates are set yearly by the federal government and can change based on both location and time of the month. You can create multiple travel policies and have it applied to specific users based off of department, location, role, or even entity. Review your policy and select Save Changes. Your travel policy will go into effect immediately and changes can be made at any point. All the way in the top, you'll see a button that says Settings. Under Travel Settings, you can define who can book travel through Ramp, set up approval workflows, set up your preferred hotels for booking, and enter car rental loyalty information. Toggle on Enable Booking at Ramp to allow booking through Ramp. By selecting everyone, you are giving every Ramp user, regardless of their role, access to book travel through Ramp within your policy. If you select only admins, only Ramp users with the admin role can book. You can also require extra approval when the booking is out of policy by toggling this on. The transaction will go through, but it will be visibly flagged for you to review. You can flag bookings only when it is out of policy, always flag bookings, or even set up a custom approval workflow. Please note, managers will always be notified of out-of-policy bookings regardless of this being turned on. However, requiring extra approval can delay bookings, increase costs, and limit options, making it harder for the employees to book travel efficiently. Toggle on guest bookings and select which roles can book flights and hotels for external guests on Ramp. Ramp Plus users are also able to invite guests to book on the Ramp platform directly, even without being a Ramp user. Set up your preferred hotels when employees are booking. These options will appear first in search results and recommendations on Ramp when employees go to book. If you have negotiated a contract with a hotel or chain, you can also make your rates available for employees via Ramp by following steps listed in an article in our Help Center. The last step here is to enter any loyalty information for car rental corporate rates that can be accessed by your employees. All settings will save automatically as the changes are made here, and you could come back and adjust this at any time. Now let's explore the travel dashboard. Admins on Ramp have the ability to oversee all travel spend at their companies, and managers have the ability to oversee travel spend for their reports on Ramp. You can view your team's upcoming, active, and completed trips by navigating to the Travel tab on the left-hand side again. A trip is essentially an itinerary that will automatically consolidate all expenses during a specific travel period. While viewing the dashboard, you can track your company's travel spend by date here. You can see how much cash back you've earned, how much you have saved from the price drops from hotel rebookings, your average trip cost, your top destination, hotel chain, and airline, and your biggest trip to date, and who your biggest spender is. Below, trips are categorized into tabs under all trips, active trips, upcoming trips, completed trips, and any requests for travel. You can click into any trip, past, present, or future, to see further details, edit the trip, or add transactions or reimbursements to it. For example, here you can see all transactions made during that trip. You can edit the trip here on the top right. You can click add here to add a transaction or create reimbursements. If this was your own trip, it'll take you to your My Travel tab. If it was someone within the company, you would remain in this Travel tab. Now if we go back to this Travel tab, you'll notice that you can also export your information out of here for travel specifically by clicking on Export, and it will give you a CSV. Now that we have set up your travel policy and explored the travel dashboard, let's walk through how to book travel on Ramp. Navigate to your My Travel tab on the left-hand panel under the Home tab. In this tab, you'll be able to book travel, see any existing trips, and see past trips for yourself. This is also where you can modify or cancel any current bookings directly by clicking into it. Now let's book a flight. You can book travel by creating your trip first or letting Ramp automatically create the trip for you after booking. To book a flight, enter your home airport or location under Where From. Enter your destination under Where To. Select your travel dates, and you can change any of these fields as necessary here. You can also book on behalf of others by clicking on Myself, Book for Someone Else, and then you could select who you're booking for. Once you're all set, you could go ahead and search for flights. You can use the filters up top here to narrow down your search, such as booking in policy and applying that filter. This will show you all booking options within the policy we set up earlier. If you cannot find an option that works for you within policy, you can clear the filter and book as normal. Any option that is out of policy will have a disclaimer stating that it is out of policy and why, such as this one or this one here. If you book any of these out of policy options, your managers will be notified. Next, select your flights and review your flight details. Here, you'll also get to select your seats. Anything that shows an X is marked as unavailable. and anything with the $0 is free, or there might be costs associated sometimes with selecting your seat. Once you find the seat you prefer, select it and click Next Flight. Now select your seat for your return flight. And now you can click Finish. If you've already filled out your traveler profile, your loyalty numbers will automatically appear here, including your TSA PreCheck number here. Once you add this information during checkout, it will auto-populate for future bookings. And we'll walk through filling out your traveler profile in just a bit. Now if you scroll back up, you'll want to confirm the RAM card being used to purchase your flight, and then you could click Book Flight. If you required additional approval in your travel settings, travel bookings may require managers or admins approval before you can complete your booking on Ramp, and it would say Submit your request. Please note that the price of the booking may change and the request will reflect the latest price. Once you're ready, you could go ahead and click Book Flight. Let's look at our hotel options now. You can apply the in-policy booking filter and see a list to the left, and even manually move the map by zooming in and out of certain areas. Company preferred options for hotel bookings will be tagged like this. It'll say company preferred in green, and it will show up here on the top of the list. You can select the hotel to see more information and select your room. Confirm the details and click Book or Submit Request here. You can also book car rentals through Ramp. Click on Search Cars here and select any filters you want to apply, such as In Policy, to see all of your options. Once you've chosen an option, you can click on Reserve and review the rental details and click on Book Car. If you ever need to change anything for a reservation you've made, simply click into it, and under Manage Your Booking, you could chat or call this number. Now let's look at your traveler profile. You can save your travel information to make booking quick and efficient. Click on your initials here on the top right, then select Traveler Profile to add your personal and loyalty information. Your profile information will go here up top, contact information here, your TSA PreCheck under Known Traveler Number, any loyalty information for airlines, hotels, and car rentals, and you can also select who can book travel on your behalf. Your profile details will autofill for all future bookings. Now you are ready to use Ramp Travel to book confidently, stay within your policy, and keep all of your trips organized in one place. With Ramp Travel, you can set up pre-spend controls to encourage employees to stay in policy, track bookings and expenses in real time, and reduce the amount of manual admin work required with travel. Additionally, you are providing employees with a user-friendly, intuitive experience that will make travel seamless and accessible through their mobile devices at all times.